Basically, you have two options when it comes to dealing with your bruxism. The first option is you can deal with the symptoms, trying to reduce the damage from all of that grinding and clenching. And options here include things like mouth guards and having botox in your jaw. Now, both of these things can bring some relief, but they're not going to resolve the underlying causes, and you're probably just going to continue having your bruxism. The second option you have is to treat the underlying causes. Resolving those causes, allowing you to get control over your bruxism and move towards putting it behind you.